Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin inside your Word document. Select the exact text or image you want to turn into a link. Once selected, press Ctrl+K or right-click and choose Link to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog. In that box, paste the destination URL or browse to a local file path. Make sure the display text field shows the words you intend to keep visible. This immediate action avoids extra formatting steps and gets you straight into creating a functional link. Once the dialog is open, paste the full URL into the address field or use Browse to select a local file. If you want to jump inside the document, pick Place in this document and choose a heading or bookmark. Add a screen tip to explain the link's purpose. This helps accessibility. Click OK to apply, then test the link by holding Ctrl and clicking it. If it doesn't open, recheck the address format and try again. Small typos are the usual culprit. To finish, inspect how the link looks. Word applies color and underline by default, so change style only if useful. If the link fails, double-check the URL for missing HTTP or extra spaces and confirm any local file still exists. If you move the document, use Edit Link to update paths. As a last resort, remove the hyperlink and reinsert it to reset targets. One key troubleshooting tip: if Ctrl+Click does nothing, enable click behavior in Word options or test the link in another app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.